So I'm pretty sure this one's too big for his cage. Nice tablecloth you got. So I'm gonna put some of this. I got some Ozarka 100% natural spring water for him. This is basically his water. Let's go ahead and try this out. So we're gonna put some more of that in there later because right now, you know, he needs to get used to the water temperature and stuff like that. So now let's go and try out his filter. Just make sure that it works. Crap. So let's plug it in the outside. See what it does. Hopefully it doesn't shock me because I'm holding it. Let me put it down just in case it shocks me. So it's shaking by itself. Okay, let's see. I don't know. I don't know if it goes like that. Look, it's floating. Now it just stopped working.
Did you put it right?
Yeah. It's just, what is it doing? Is it supposed to do that?
Is it on?
Yeah. What is it doing?
It doesn't seem like it's doing anything.
Maybe you should get out the big guns over there. Oh, I see little bubbles, but it makes his cage look really tacky.
Maybe it's like the more expensive.
Yeah, the water's coming out of there. That's what it's supposed to do.
This plastic has bad energy. I don't know if I want to use it. It's gross. Dude, feel it. It's like poison to the max.
What?
Plastic.
The plastic bag?